Good day, CoroTube. This you're looking at here is the 2000 Acura EL that I'm currently using as my winter beater. It has replaced the 2002 NISSAN ALTIMA that I was using previously. The reason it's replacing it is because I've wanted this car for quite a while. It was in the family, and it came up, so I kind of couldn't say no. It was really good timing because I was getting really tired of the Nissan. It's a great car, but not in the winter, because the thing would refuse to start whenever it got cold. It would lock me out if I washed it, so that's why it was usually always filthy. This guy really hasn't let me down. I've been driving it since last September. It's been quite reliable. To help with the winter, I've been using a synthetic oil, 0W30. It doesn't even really hesitate or skip a beat when you go and try and start it, even in like minus 30 and 40 that we were having in our usual Winnipeg weather. I'm planning on having a lot more videos on this guy. The car's not super clean right now. I did just finish putting on the winter tires, well, taking them off. It's April. That's our typical weather. Usually you gotta wait sometimes till June, shockingly. Not always, but it's happened. So you've seen all the lovely work I put into the car. Valve cover gaskets, struts, links, control arms, bearings, brakes, quarter panels. Too much to list, but the hood still refuses to shut sometimes. And of course had to happen when I'm shooting a video. Wasn't really planning on that to happen, but there it is. Now, we'll have more videos pretty soon. Just keep watching the channel. The last video I uploaded was the other day on Mr. Oil update. The Nissan isn't dead. It works just fine. It just, like I said, was very sick of the car in winter. So until I get that thing ready for the road, I have to sell it. I have no room for all of these vehicles that you see me making videos of. But thanks for watching, and keep your eyes open for new content. Like, share, and subscribe. But I'm still going to remind you at the end of the video, because I had to redub all of this. It was way too windy, if you didn't notice. Bye.